So let us solve this problem. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So the first thing is to determine what is the unknown. What do we need to find out here? We need to find the sides of the two squares. So let us call one square as square 1, the other square as square 2. So the sides of the two squares, square 1 and square 2, are the unknowns. So let us denote these by variables. Let us assume that the side of square 1 is a variable x and the side of square 2 is another variable y. Now, next we see that what else is given to us. We see that it is given that the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter. So we have talked about their perimeters. What is the perimeter of a square? The perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So the perimeter of square 1 will be 4 into x, that is 4x. Perimeter of square 2 will be 4 into y, that is 4y. So these are the perimeters of these two squares, 4x and 4y. And it is given that the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter. So the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter. Now let us assume that square 1 is the square with a longer side. That is, x is greater than y. So it will have a higher perimeter than square 2. And it is given that 4x, which is the perimeter of square 1, minus 4y, which is the perimeter of square 2, is equal to 24. So we have this equation. Now 4x minus 4y, we can take 4 common. We get 4 into x minus y equal to 24, or x minus y is equal to 6. We divide both the sides by 4 to get x minus y equal to 6. From here, we can say that x is equal to 6 plus y. So x is equal to y plus 6. Let us call this equation to be our equation 1. We have represented the side of square 1 in terms of the side of square 2. Now let us see what else is given to us. It is given that the areas of two squares have the sum as 468. So we need to find the areas of both the squares. The area of a square is given by side into side. So the area of first square will be x into x, which is equal to x square. The area of second square will be given by y into y, that is y square. So the area of square 1 is x square. The area of square 2 is y square. And it is given that the sum of the areas is 468 meters square. That is x square plus y square is equal to 468. So we have represented our variables in terms of what is given to us. But this is a quadratic equation containing two variables. We know how to solve a quadratic equation having one variable. So how do we solve it? Well, we have already represented x in terms of variable y. So let us substitute this value of x in this equation. We get y plus 6 whole square plus y square equal to 468. This is what we have. So from this equation, we get y plus 6 whole square plus y square equal to 468. Now let us simplify this. The left hand side, y plus 6 whole square. Using a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us expand this. This becomes y square plus 2 into y into 6 is 12y plus 6 square is 36 plus y square, and let us bring this 468 also to the left hand side. Minus 468 equal to 0. From here we get 2y square plus 12y and plus 36 minus 468. This gives us minus 432 equal to 0. So this is what we have. We see that all the terms on the left hand side, they can be divided by 2. So let us divide each term by 2 and simplify it. So this becomes y square, this becomes 6y, and this becomes 216. So we get y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in one variable y, and we can easily solve it. We can solve it by any method we want. Let us solve it by Sridharacharya method. If you recall, if this is a quadratic equation in x, then according to the Sridharacharya method, the solution for x will be given by this expression. So let us use this formula directly to find the value of y for this quadratic equation. First, let us see what are a, b, c for this equation. A is the coefficient of x square here. So in this equation, a should be the coefficient of y square, which is 1. So a is equal to 1. B is the coefficient of x. For this equation, b is equal to 6. C is the constant term. In this equation, C is equal to negative 216. Remember, we need to consider the negative sign as well. So C is negative 216. So these are the values of A, B and C. Now let us apply this. We get y is equal to minus b, that is minus 6 plus minus root over b square. B square is 6 square minus 4ac minus 4 into a, which is 1, into c, which is negative 216. The whole thing divided by 2a. A is 1. So this is what we have. Now let us simplify it further. We get negative 6 plus minus root over 6 square is 36. Negative, negative, give us positive. 4 into 216. 4 6 are 24. 4 1s are 4. 6, 4 2s are 8. And 2 into 1 is 2. This is what we have. This gives us negative 6 plus minus 36 plus 864. 36 plus 864 will give us 900. Now 900 is 30 into 30. So root over 900 will be equal to 30. So this is negative 6 plus minus 30 by 2. So this is what we have. Now we consider the plus as well as the negative sign. So one solution is negative 6 plus 30 by 2. The other solution is negative 6 minus 30 by 2. Negative 6 plus 30 is 24. 24 by 2 is 12. So one solution is 12. Negative 6 minus 30 is negative 36. Negative 36 by 2 is negative 18. So this is the other solution. 12 and negative 18. Now recall what was y. Y was the side of square 2. The side of a square cannot be negative. So we discard this value and we take y to be 12 meters. So the side of square 2 is 12 meters. What else did we need to find? We need to find the side of square 1 as well. The side of square 1 is x, which is equal to y plus 6. Now we know that y is 12. So x is 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18 meters. So the side of square 1 is 18 meters and the side of square 2 is 12 meters. Side of square 1, 18 meters. Side of square 2, 12 meters. So we see how such problems can be solved using a quadratic equation.